Number 7 says 3 cans of orange juice. So there are 4 out of 20 cans that are orange juice. And then if we select the first one as orange juice, for the second can, there are 3 cans of orange juice left out of 19 total cans. And then if the second can that we select is an orange juice, then there are 2 cans out of 18 cans left that are orange juice. So if we multiply these together and reduce, we get 1 over 285. Number 8 says no apple juice. So there are 6 cans of apple juice, which means there are 14 cans that are not apple juice. So that's the grape juice, the orange juice, and the mango juice. So we have a 14 out of 20 chance of selecting a can that's not apple juice. And then for the second can, we have a 13 out of 19 chance. And then for the third can, we have a 12 out of 18 chance. So if we multiply these together, we get 91 over 285.